Good morning, students. I welcome you all for grade 9 English. Today I am going to start the first video. I hope you can understand, follow me, and understand the things carefully. The first unit, Prose, the fun they had. This story is about the difference and contrast between the real classroom and the virtual classroom. Before starting this class, let me explain about the author Isaac Asimov. Isaac Asimov, he was a well-known writer, writing books on wide variety of subjects outside of science fiction, taking on topics like astronomy, biology, maths, etc. And about his birth, he was born on 2nd January 1920 and in the place in Russia. He was studied his university. He was studied in the University Columbia. These are the things about the author. Let me ask some questions related to the lesson. What kind of school would you want to have in the future? The second question is, how much will the computer be involved in the future education? And the third question is, will you feel more happy when you use high technical society? Why and why not? Yes, let me explain the characters of the story. The first character of the story is our protagonist, Margie. She is 11 years old girl. She is a friend of Tommy. The next character is Tommy. He is Margie's friend. He is 13 years old boy who found a book in his attic. The next character is our county inspector. The county inspector is a mechanic who came there to their house to rectify the mistakes in the mechanical teacher, that is Margie's computer. It was explained about his appearance as he was a round little man with red face, and he had a box in his hand completely filled with tools, dials and wires. The next character is Margie's mother. Her name is Mrs. Jones. She expects Margie to succeed in his life, in the education, and often she used to disappoint her mother in geography lessons. That's all. The final and at last character, it was not shown here. It is our Margie's grandfather. Let's have a look of this mind map. Here we have all the characters together. Here in the center page, the title of the lesson, The Fun They Had, written by Isaac Asimov, 1951. The protagonist character, our Margie, she had a habit of writing diary every day. And she is starting the diary with a date headed as May 17th in the year of 21,057. She wrote the first statement and the sentence as, Tommy found a real book. Today, Tommy found a real book. This real book consists of papers and pages. It was old and wrinkled and white, yellow, and the words are standing still. Here, the Margie is explaining and she is portraying that she doesn't know about the real book. She didn't see so far. She didn't see any real book at all. So she had a habit of, the people and the children, they had a habit of seeing the virtual classroom on sitting in front of the system, and they will learn on their own. Here they are telling the real book, which was made up of papers and pages, and it was very old looking. The papers are yellow and wrinkled, and the words are standing still. Here the telebooks, they are comparing with these two things together. First, they are comparing real book with the telebooks. Telebooks are electronics, read on their screen. So this is the books they used to read in the mechanical teacher, that is their computer, on their mechanical teacher, the computer. The contents will be, all the things are electronic, and they will move here and there and read. They will be reading the books and stories on the screen, and the words will be, can also move here and there. This is the differentiation between the real book and the telebooks that Margie is speaking here to Tommy. The next character is Tommy. He found a book in his attic. Attic means, it's a word that tells about the storeroom. The meaning of the word is storeroom. He found a new book in his attic, and the book is about an old school that was working years ago. That was worked centuries years ago. And the next character is our county inspector, the mechanical teacher. The mechanical teacher they are telling here. It was big, black, and ugly. That was our system, the computer. It was a robotic big screen system, and the children will be sitting in front of the screen, and they have to learn the subjects from the mechanical teacher, the system, the computer. So the next one is the old school. They are telling about the old school here. It was worked centuries years ago. There will be many children in a one classroom. The one teacher, he is a human being who teaches the things as a men who teach the things to the children. So here, this is the old school they used to have, but here they are learning everything with the mechanical teacher, the computer. But in the centuries ago, the children used to go learn by the school that was inside a classroom. Children will observe the teaching of the things from the teacher. It was happened years ago. And Margie, she is telling she had a fun about the old school that helped each other. So these are the things that they are pinpointing, the good things about the real classroom and the virtual classroom. That means our mechanical teacher classroom. So the real classroom, there the children can interact more and they help each other. They can run and walk together, and they shout together, they laugh together, they exchange their interest, and they can exchange their interest and their points, doubts, and they can clarify all their things in the old school. But now Margie and Tommy, they are living in the century of that was in the future. There is no real teacher, but it was a mechanical teacher where they are learning the things sitting in front of a system. This was the overall outlook and the story of the lesson, the pros, the fun they had. Yes, already I told you about Margie, the protagonist, the real character, first character of our story. She had a habit of writing diary every day. On her first page, when she started writing her diary, the headed point was, the date was mentioned there is 17th May 21,057. She wrote, the sentence started with these sentences: today Tommy found a real book. So it was very old book. Margie's father once said that when he was a little boy, his grandfather told that it was a story told by Margie's grandfather. She remembered that. They turned the pages, which were yellow and crinkly. Crinkly means with many folds and lines. That means crushed paper. And it was because it was an old book, so the pages were yellow and crinkly. And they started chatting funny related to the book that it was standing still, and in the mechanical teacher the words can move anywhere, and they are just comparing these things with the real book and the computer screen. So the next part of the story, the second point, Tommy is coming there, and they are discussing about the bads and goods of the real book. So the Tommy gave his feedback as it was a waste of time to read a book. So once you finish reading, you can throw the book away. But in the television screen, we must have millions of books that we have good and plenty and more. It will be good and plenty and more. So here they are comparing the real book that was given in a paper, the words were still and it won't move. But in the television screen, they can get more books and they can get plenty of information, and it will move everywhere. So they are criticizing both about the real and television books. Between the conversation is going on between Margie and the Tommy here. As I told before, here the characters are given with their age. Here the Margie, she was 11, and the Tommy, he was 13 years old boy. These both friends, they started discussing about the book that they received, that they got from the attic. It was about what they are discussing. The Tommy, the character is telling out the book was about a school. Immediately Margie gave a nice reply that I hate school. Margie always hates school because her mechanical teacher had been giving test after test in geography lesson, and she had been worse until the mother had shaken her head sorrowfully. So here they are explaining the character Margie that she hated her school completely because she had a bad situation with the mechanical teacher here or computer that used to give test after test in geography lesson, and he used to get worse mark in all the levels, and her mother also very sad and sorrowful of her marks that she is receiving in the geography lesson. Now the next character, the county inspector is coming there because the system, the Margie's mother, she had a doubt that it may be because of the mechanical teacher, the computer. So they are calling the character county inspector who is checking the mechanical teacher to rectify its problem. I already explained about the county inspector. The appearance of the county inspector was being given here. He was a round little man with red face and a whole box of tools with dials and wires. And he smiled at Margie and gave her an apple. He took the mechanical teacher inside a room to check the mechanical teacher, that is our computer. Margie hoped that it should not be repaired so far. So after an hour, again a large, so she hates the mechanical teacher very much because she doesn't want to see the large black and ugly big screen that shows the lessons and questions that they ask. And she doesn't like, it was very bad. The next here, she also hated on the homework that they give and the test papers that they are giving by the mechanical teacher. So these are the bad feedbacks about the mechanical teacher that was given by Margie. That's what she doesn't like her mechanical teacher. The county inspector smiled. After he finished all his work, he patted Margie's head and he said that it was not a fault of the little girl, because it was a fault in the geography sector that was geared up little bit quick, that was rectified again. It was slow down the level according to to her age, Margie's age, as average of 10-year level, and the progress has been rectified, and the problem has been rectified. Now the Margie has got the mechanical teacher again. She was really disappointed, and she hoping that the teacher will do her work. She is really disappointed, because again she is going to get some homeworks, test papers again on her own. Because here Margie was disappointed, and because of the homework and test paper that she is going to get again. And one more thing, that she was hoping that the teacher would be taken away for some months, because once Tommy's teacher has been taken away nearly a month, because his history sector had been blocked out completely. So here the incident that Margie expects from the Tommy's teacher. Here the teacher is the computer. So the Tommy's computer has been affected, and it was rectified. It took 1 month to rectify the problem. The same thing she expects here as from the county inspector, that it cannot be rectified more, then the teacher has to be taken away for a month to be happy and to enjoy the life. That's all from the problem of the mechanical teacher. Then from the next point, Tommy and Margie, they started discussing about the school that was given in the book with papers, in the papers. It was a school about that was there in house hundreds and hundreds of years ago. That means that they are telling here centuries ago, and they are discussing about the school. Will they have a teacher or not? The next thing here, the Tommy is telling to Margie that it was not a regular teacher, it was a man, because Margie and Tommy, they know the teacher that was a mechanical teacher only, but from the book they came to know that the teachers are human being, and it was a man. Here a man. How could a man be a teacher? So again the conversation is going on about a teacher as man. Well, he just told the boys and girls things, gave them homework and asked them questions. So they are discussing about the man, that he used to give the man, the teacher, the human being, he used to give homeworks to the children, and they will be asking questions to the children. A man isn't smart enough, he is asking. Sure, he is. My father knows as much as my teacher. He knows almost as much. I betcha. Here betcha means bet you, I'm sure. I'm sure means betcha. The strange discussion continued here. Tommy screamed with laughter. You don't know much, Margie. The teachers don't live in house. They had special building, and all the kids went there. Here they are telling about the school. The teachers will have a building, and the children will be sitting in a classroom, and all together they will be sitting in a single room. But here they are learning everything with a single system, that is our mechanical teacher. So they doesn't know about the teacher that was in the real school, that they are reading in the book. It was taken from the attic, and all the kids learn the same thing. Here in the real school, all the kids will learn the same thing, and of the same age group children will be sitting there in a single classroom in front of a teacher, there where the real classroom will do work. But my mother says that teacher has to adjust to fit the mind of each boy and girl to teachers, and that each kid had to be taught differently. The same time they started while they start reading the book, they both got the eagerness to read more, and they started reading the book more and more, and they got so many funny things, and they started reading the funny things from the real school. The time up, the Margie's mother and Tommy's mother both were called to the school, that is the mechanical teacher. So finally they both together discussed, and they thought to read the story again after the school gets over. Here Margie and Tommy, they both went nonchalantly. Here the word is given nonchalantly, that means not showing much interest, because they both going to sit in front of the mechanical teacher and they are going to learn on their own by self learning. He walked away with this dusty old book tucked beneath his arm. So he is taking the book, folding the dusty book in his hand and tucked it beneath the arms, and he took it to the room. Margie went to the classroom. It was right next to the bedroom, and the mechanical teacher was waiting for her. It was always on the same time and on every day except the Saturdays and Sundays. That means here the mechanical teacher was nearby the room to their bedroom, and they used to wait for the teacher to come. When it's switched on, they have to sit on the same time on every day except Saturdays and Sundays. Saturdays and Sundays are the holidays for the mechanical teacher here, because her mother said little girls learn better things if they learn at regular hours. So her mother used to pestering her always to learn and sit hours together to learn more things from the mechanical teacher. So the screen was lit up, and it said today's arithmetic lesson. So today she is going to learn some arithmetic lesson from the mechanical teacher on the addition of proper fractions. On that day, after the fault has been rectified, she is starting her first session as addition of proper fractions. And please, the mechanical teacher, the computer is asking for some instruction that please insert yesterday's homework in the proper slot. So they have to give the slot. That means the homework that they have done should be given to the computer, and it should be checked. It will be checked by the system, and they will be evaluating the marks, and the marks will be shown in the screen. This is what they self-learning, and they are learning only from the help of the mechanical teacher by sitting still in front of the screen in a single room as a single child. So now, while doing the sums, Margie thinking about the old school that has been read in the book that they found in the attic. So she is thinking about the old school that was a real school when her grandfather's grandfather was a little boy. All the kids from the whole nearbyhood came laughing, chatting in the schoolyard, sitting together in a schoolroom, going home together at the end of the day, and they learn the same things so they could help each other in doing their homeworks and discussing their things with each other. So these are the real classroom situation. In the olden days, the children enjoy the real school. Nowadays, so here Margie is comparing the real school and well as the virtual school at last. she understood that the situation is very bad. So she hate the mechanical teacher. She wanted the same situation to be come back, and she wants to learn in the old school way method. And the teachers were people. Here the teachers were people, not as machine. And the mechanical teacher, the screen was flashing on the screen. When we add fractions 1 by 2, the results are given here. And Margie was thinking about how the kids must love it in the olden days, and she was thinking about the fun that they had. This was the final thing that she imagined about the statement that she is giving about the old school. The children, they love to go and they had a fun there in the school days. This was written by Isaac Oslo. That's all from the story. Let me come to the activity area. I'm going to give you an activity that was given in our textbook. See the activity here. Calculate how many years and months ahead from now Margie's diary is. Let me repeat it one more time. Calculate how many years and months ahead from now Margie's diary entry is. Please solve the sum on your own, and after that we have 7 questions here. Go through the questions and try to find out answers on your own. Thank you one and all. I'll meet you again in my next video.